Look at that bubble, guys! Look at this!
That was amazing!
We normally don't do this, but later in the video, Kate actually gets hurt whenever she gets some homemade bubble solution in her eyes. Although we don't show it, we wanted to give a disclaimer about the dangers of playing with bubbles that have dish soap in them.
Please be careful and do whatever you can to avoid this type of soap getting in your child's eye. Later in the video, we'll interrupt again and give you more details about what happened and how you can avoid this happening in your family.
Welcome to K-Now!
Today we're going to be playing with bubbles, but not just any bubbles.
A lot of bubbles. Big bubbles.
Big bubbles, that's right.
Like it, Daddy!
Yeah! Bubbles down.
We made these in another video, so check in the description to see how to make them. Okay, now we are going to fill up our entire entryway with tons of bubbles and play in it. Let's go.
I hereby challenge Mommy to make the biggest bubbles that she can make. Come on, let's see it, Mommy.
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
But you know what, Mommy?
What?
I think we can do better.
I think we can.
I think
Do you
we
think
can
we
do
can?
bigger.
Yes!
Do you think we can?
Yeah!
Kate, tell me how we're gonna make bigger bubbles.
With a big bubble one!
A big bubble one like this one right here? Show it to me.
It's happened!
Whoa! Look at all these bubbles.
What?
I just had an idea.
What?
What if we put one of our kids inside of the bubble? Yes.
We're going to be in a bubble!
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
Whoa!
Let's see how big of a bubble we can make here.
What?
Yeah!
Whoa!
What does it feel like when you're in there?
Whoa! Look at that bubble, guys! Look at this!
That's so cool!
All right, I want to try it now. I'm jealous. Daddy's jealous. What? Look at that! Look at that! It's a big bubble! Oh!
That was amazing! That was amazing! I just saw a lady inside a bubble.
What? He's good at this.
Taste the
It's going right at me. 3. What?
Can I say
I got sprayed. Here you go. Pull it up.
Oh!
Lane's the expert.
He is.
All right, Lane. Guys, these bubbles are really big, right? How big are they?
1,001.
What? That's really big. How big are they, Lane?
Big.
Are they the biggest bubbles you've ever seen?
They are like as giant as the earth.
What? What if I told you that we can make bubbles even bigger?
How?
Do you want Daddy to show you? You want to see even bigger bubbles? All right, I'm gonna go get the bubbles, okay? If you guys are interested in how we made any of the cool stuff that we're showing in this video, let us know down in the comment section. Maybe we'll make a video about it. All right, so Daddy's been working on something really special for the kids. We're gonna make some really big bubbles. Bubbles, 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 bubbles! I already did.
Oh.
Just like a really small one like that.
Oh,
There we go.
oh, look at them.
Bubbles!
Look at them go. Those are amazing.
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
All right, we're gonna send more bubbles our way. Stand by. Stand by for bubbles.
What is that? Oh! Those are pretty epic bubbles.
Here it comes. More bubbles. And this is where the fun ended. Actually, right here.
So some of the bubble solution broke away and dropped in Kate's eye, but we had no idea what happened. She started screaming and crying and ran to us.
Once we realized she got the solution in her eye, I pretty quickly remembered about the dangers of dish soap and how it has abrasive chemicals in it that can be really harmful to things like plant life. Like, you don't want to get in your grass, and so I could imagine that getting it in your eye can't be good either.
I immediately ran her inside and started rinsing her eye out with water.
While she did that, I Googled dish soap and eyes. Several warnings and gruesome personal experience stories immediately popped up, and I saw how serious it can be if not treated immediately. It was suggested to rinse her eye for 15 minutes.
We immediately began that step. We wrapped Kate up in a towel and we started pouring water on the bridge of her nose. She was very brave, even though there were a few tears.
I also saw online that it's recommended to call poison control. I called, and the woman was super helpful. She basically said to us to continue doing exactly what we're doing right now, and that since we treated it immediately, Kate should be fine.
Kate ended up being okay, with no irritation even later that evening. But we wanted to make this video to bring awareness because we had learned an important lesson and we didn't want this to happen to other families.
Read warning labels. It clearly states on the back of the dish soap bottle to rinse if it comes in contact with the eyes. Specifically, I hope this makes you aware of the dangers of dish soap.
Be mindful of when your kids interact with it.
To celebrate Kate's bravery, we went to get snow cones, even though it was a little past her bedtime.
In fact, let's watch.
Like, stick your tongue out. It's
What are we doing right now?
eating a rainbow snow cone.
Eating a rainbow snow cone.
Lane, what kind did you get?
Red.
Can you tell us what happened today?
Well, today I got a bubble in my eye and it really hurt.
Yeah.
And Daddy had his kettle and he poured some cold water on my eye, but I cried, but I didn't fight with Mommy.
That's right. You cried, but you didn't fight. You were a very brave big girl, and you let us wash all of the soap out.
And because we're getting these snow cones, because we're celebrating
We're
my
celebrating.
eye. But that's not even happening.
Yeah.
You just heard me.
Do you love your snow cone?
Yeah, it's rainbowish, but Daddy smooshed it up and made it like trash. And I'm eating trash right now.
I'm eating trash right now. I mean, look at it. It kind of does look like trash. Turns out whenever you mix rainbows, it just makes trash.
No. Are you gonna play with bubbles again, Kate?
No. Well, only in the back, right?
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.
Peace out.
You guys see them dancing.